Hey guys, this is Scott Leroy, Scott Leroy Marketing, coming in for a special weekly tip. And this is a tip to actually help you out over the next week, months, whatever it might be, while obviously everything with the coronavirus is going on. All right, so one of the biggest platforms that we actually use over here, I know a lot of KW agents, a lot of KW staff members, KWRI even uses it, is Zoom, and it's completely free. So I just wanted to give you a quick tip on how you can actually sign up for this and start to utilize it. Now, obviously, they do have additional plans and pricing on here, but their free option is going to be more than likely perfect for you guys to use. All right, it actually includes up to 40 minutes where you can actually do a live chat for free. So in this case, if you're actually trying to meet with a client, all right, and obviously you're not going to meet face-to-face or anything, you can chat with them. You'll actually have your own invite code. It'll help out tremendously. So Zoom.us is where you can actually access this immediately. All right, and then if you notice up here, sign up. It's free. All right, so if I click on the sign up option, it'll just ask me on here if I want to put inside my work email address, or I can even sign in with Google. So that way, if you are utilizing your KW.com email or you have a Gmail account, you can actually download this and utilize it immediately. Now, I personally do not have the Zoom app on my phone. I utilize everything on my computer, much like you would on Skype or anything like that, or Google Hangouts. All right, but in this case, if you sign in with the Gmail account or the Google account, that'll be perfect. You can download it on your computer immediately. Now, once you have signed up, so in this case, if I actually go through the process of signing up on here, even though I'm already signed up, all right, it will send you over an email so you can actually accept that immediately, and you can start the confirmation process to get your account set up right away. Now, to give you an idea, so I'm actually going to log into my Zoom account so you can get an idea as to what this looks like. All right, so I'm starting Zoom right now. Here we go. All right, so much like you may have done before with Skype or any other platform, this is what it's going to look like on here. And this is the one I'm utilizing. As you can see, it's the free account. Now, once again, they do have paid accounts, but for the time being, I think free would be perfect for you guys. All right, and much like they were talking about inside the speech by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan, all right, obviously you want to cut expenses, so using a free account will be perfect. Now, once you're on here, now you can actually start a brand new meeting. So I can actually click on this to start with a video. I can see my personal ID. And then on here, you can actually send this to your clients. You can copy your ID or copy the entire invitation. So then they can see how to call in as well if they want to call in potentially on their phone or anything. All right, you can also join additional meetings, schedule one out, or of course we can view that share screen option on here. All right, so this will be great to actually host face-to-face meetings with your clients. All right, or once again, if you happen to be doing, a walkthrough tour and they're not going into the actual home, you can always take this over here and do a screen share with them. Now, once again, in this case, you can also utilize Facebook Live. You could also utilize FaceTime as well. There are plenty of different applications, but if you're looking for one that I would highly suggest using on your desktop, on your laptop, I would definitely check out Zoom because this will help out tremendously. All right, whether this is for you and your clients or even for market centers to utilize too. Because if you notice on here, if I actually start this new meeting, I'm going to open this up real quick. It's going to come up. Here's my meeting topic. Here's my host. Here's the invitation URL. I can see my participant ID. And then I can even come through here. I can click on the share option if I want to, and I can actually start to share any of my screens that I have on here as well. All right, so if I want to share this screen on here, it'll automatically pop up where I'm sharing this. And I can even view, let me see if I can drag this over for you guys real quick. Perfect. I can view all of my different editable options on here. So I can go through and I can mute my mic. I can start my video if you guys want to see what I look like. I can look at my participants. I can go through the share. I can pause it. I can annotate it. All right, so I just want to give you a heads up of how simple it is to actually go through and utilize this. Now, once again, remember, Zoom is free for 40 minutes. All right, and it will pop up at the 30-minute mark saying you have 10 minutes left on there. Now, more than likely, if you're doing a one-on-one call with one of your clients and you want to show them some stuff on here, this will be a great way to kind of flip it around so you can actually show them different documents, show them different items that you might want to view online, all right, whatever it might be, so you can do a screen share. All right, and I can guarantee you're probably going to get everything done within 40 minutes, and then you can restart this again to start a new 40 minutes. And there you go. And that's how simple it is to actually download and utilize Zoom during this time. So there you go. So that is your tech tip for the day.